It's either going to do that or it's going to burn my skin off. Oh shit, it's in my eyes. Whoa. I just fucking choked on it. It's been like irritating my face. My skin is red. Yeah, it doesn't feel good. Oh god. So I might be a little bit allergic. Hey everyone, it's Connor Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. As always, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today's video is either gonna go really great or really bad. I was at the dollar store like I frequent often because I am a broke ass bitch. And I found these Global Beauty Care Collagen face masks. It's funny because a couple of days ago I actually saw these at TJ Maxx. They came in a 5-pack and they were like $6. So I actually got a better deal on this. So this is the Global Beauty Care Premium Collagen Spa Treatment Mask. It says it's an anti-aging serum, soothing 15-minute facial therapy, minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, helps to firm, tone, and revive skin elasticity. Well, it's either going to do that or it's going to burn my skin off because it's from the dollar store. So we'll see what happens. If you want to see me try this dollar store makeup and possibly burn my skin off, then keep watching. This was $1 from the dollar store. It comes with 2 facial treatments. On the back it says, Global Beauty Care Premium Collagen Spa Treatment Mask is an effective facial skincare therapy designed to improve the health and appearance of your skin. Our moisture-rich formula contains collagen proteins and essential fatty acids. These ingredients help revive skin elasticity and minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. They help to lift, firm, and tone your skin. Just one treatment will leave your face feeling smoother and softer, looking younger and more radiant. Ingredients: water, glycerin, beta-glucan, collagen. Okay, so this isn't like the gold mask that doesn't actually have gold in it. This actually has collagen in it. It is the 4th ingredient. Girl! I got a good deal from the dollar store. Well, honestly, it actually sounds a little bit better for you than the gold mask because it doesn't have any alcohol in it. And that gold mask, as you saw, made my eyes water and get really red, and the alcohol was just really overpowering. pH balanced, hypoallergenic, and not tested on animals. Refrain from using if you have sensitive skin or are allergic to any ingredients listed. That's interesting because it said it's hypoallergenic. Yet it says if you're allergic to any of the ingredients, don't use it. So it's not hypoallergenic then. I guess we will try and use this. I'm a little worried considering it's from the dollar store, but I ended up actually giving a few of these away for Christmas. So none of their faces have burned off yet. Aren't I just the best? So here's the little pack. Ooh, it's very like nice packaging. It looks very fancy. Oh my god, it is wet. So it is literally soaking wet in here. Oh my god, it's really soaking wet. It's dripping all over my pants. So I hope nothing happens. It's almost hard to hold on to. It's so wet. Where's the nose hole? Oh shit, it's in my eyes. These eye slits are not fabulous. Here we go. I'm getting somewhere. I don't know where the mouth hole is. Yeah, I'm definitely eating it. Wow, this is a pain in the... Well, I just fucking choked on it. Oh, God. So it says to massage it and wipe away the excess. Well, literally, the excess is outrageous. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. And we'll see what the f happens. We'll see if I come back and my face is gone. Alrighty guys, so I've had this mask on for about 15 or 20 minutes. It's been like irritating my face the entire time. Like it itches and like stings a little bit, so I'm a little concerned about that. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna see what the fuck it looks like. It's like itching. Oh, it just like feels not pleasant. Alright, so let's take this off. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, my skin is red. I don't know if you can see, like here is red, here is red, here is red. That's where it hurts the most. Let me wipe off my face. So like this area, and then this area hurts the most. Yeah, it doesn't feel good, especially with like the cold air blowing on it. Oh, oh God. Yeah, do you see it's like red and irritated? Oh God, it doesn't feel good. Well, I guess it's not that hypoallergenic. That, and I got some in my eye. So that hurts. You know, looking in the mirror, my face definitely looks smoother. It doesn't really like feel any smoother. It's definitely irritated. So I might be a little bit allergic to one of the ingredients. I mean, for $1, what can you expect, really? I'm thrilled that my face didn't fall off. Overall, I'm just thrilled that my face didn't burn off. So yeah, there you have it. But if you want something like a little mask that minimizes your pores and makes you a little bit more radiant every now and then, I think it's a good option. It definitely is a mess and hard to put on and doesn't stay on your face. It's a total mess, but girl, it was $1. So there you go. Alrighty guys, well thank you so much for watching this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down below. All my social media will be linked in the description box so you can hit me up on there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.